this might be the most disgusting brute deck that has ever touched a table. All right, I know you're dying to see what's inside of this list, and I'm about to show you. Keep in mind, this list comes from the absolute madman that is Eugene C. Eugene is a beast. He's a pillar in the brute community. He's a full savage, and he loves this game. So let's dive into what these cards are. And honestly, quite a few of them could swap in and out depending on your playstyle. But you've got your equipment suite. It is Blitz, so you have a lot of equipment slots. Just shove them all in there. But you're really going to be using the same stuff every game, unless you're feeling super mid-rangey with like Ball Breaker or you're playing a mage, right? And you'll notice Arcane Lantern. We need scab skins. You know, when you have a card that says roll 2 times for every time you roll, you can't give up scabbies. You just can't. So you got your equipment. You know, Savage Sash is going to come in for that extra monster, disgusting 30 damage turn. You've got scabs to bail you out of every situation ever made. Gambler's gloves because we're Kayo and we need to gamble, right? And then you got Flesh Bag. You know, when you're going to do your degenerate turn, and it's over. All right, so when you're picking cards to put in this list, the goal is doing unlimited damage always, right? And that's kind of the theme of this list. It's just do unnecessarily large pieces of damage and break your opponent's soul, right? So we got your standard red package, freewheeling renegades coming in after those go again cheetah cards, right? Doesn't matter if it's -2 if it comes in for 10, right? That 10, you know, 10 or 12, it doesn't matter, right? So this card's nuts. 3 card, possible 22 to 24, right? Okay. So Bare Fangs, Cheetah Package, Savage Feast in this list is absolutely nuts. You're rolling the dice. It's one of the biggest cards we have in our toolkit. Also lets you claw, lets you do all that dirty stuff. Swing big because big number. And then the absolute cream of the crop, the reason you're playing this list, the reason it works, 10 foot tall and bulletproof. Now you put this in your arsenal, and then you go for your degen turn, and you end it with 20 damage, right? Or you just send a straight up Hail Mary after you've broken their equipment. You know, you got your ready to roll or whatever. You got your gambler's gloves up, and you send this out, and they're only able to block, what, 10, 12, maybe 10, maybe 14 at best, right? That's 6 damage they're taking. 8 damage, 10 damage. Nuts. Card broken in KO. You got your standard yellows because we need 6s in the deck and we want to be able to pitch into our big turns. So you got Agile, Beast Within, one of the best brute cards ever made. Blood Rush, of course. Mighty Wind Up. And then Pummels because, you know, what's worse than doing 12 damage? Doing 15 and taking cards away from them. Yep. Send Packing, Brute CNC. You'll see we really only want Brute cards in here because we're going ham. You know, you could throw Command and Conquer in here, but that would make the list really expensive. This is $270 so far, and you can narrow this equipment down a little bit. And then you got your blues. Pummels, the most important blue in the deck, ready to roll. And then you just got everything else that's just whatever. You know, honestly, Truce could be swapped out. Most of these blues could be swapped out if you know, suit your play style, right? So this is the list. It's nuts. Now let me show you what it looks like in action. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Good luck. We might be able to one-shot our opponent. All right, we're going to go for the clean one-shot here. Oh, all right. All we need is 2 6s here. It's possible, you know. It's possible we get it. All we need is a 4. All we need is a 4. All we need is a 4 in this roll right here. All right. 2. We'll have 1 left. Discard it. Oh, 2 6s. That's a lot of action points. No, save it. Oh, we hit the eye. Boom. Boom. Should have used our Savage Sash there. Sashing it. No, 12 Dommy. 12 Dom. All right, down to 8. Here we go. Better hit. Oh. Ooh. We got him. We got him. Yes, I'll enable chat. We did it. We've one-shot him. Look at this guy. All right. He told me to bring it to a skirmish, so we're going to do that, right? We're going to do that. We're going to take it to the victories here. Look at that average value damage. 24. Average value per turn, 24, baby. That's what we're talking about. We need another one. 3 minutes? You couldn't learn anything in 3 minutes. Neither could our opponent. We got another one. All right, let's go first. We're going to do the same strategy as last time. All right, let's do it. 19, huh? Why not? Okay. Whatever, I guess. Unfortunate turn one. Oh, got distracted. Just click block for no reasons. Looks like we kind of got to go for a big play here. Oh my goodness, we're going to lose in the first turn. Jeez. Oh, taking a bunch of damage here. You can't miss twice in a row, right? Told you. You can never miss twice in a row. Never, ever miss twice in a row. Never. Never happened once. Boom. All right. Use all our equipment next turn. Go for a kill. That's what we're going to try and do here. 12. Coming at him. All right. He's going to take it at the chin. Oh. Oh. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Just a nick, too. Oh, man. Do you see this? Give me your hand, please. Give it to me. Give me your hand. Yeah. Transform. Do whatever you want to do with this little body. You take a 7, go to 1. There you go. You don't want to get reckless swing because you know I got those. Every chance we can get to win, dude. Every chance. Taking 4. No problems from me here, buddy. No problems here. We're close to greatness. Oh, we win. We win. We're going to the moon. Going to the absolute moon. Give it +3, I guess. Yeah, I win here. Okay, I'll take it. Ow. Sure. First things first. We're gonna go and we're gonna definitely hit the beast within. Oh, we're so close. I thought we were gonna hit the beast within there. You know, my confidence was really high. Okay. We can send a claw too. Why not? Why not? And then boom, boom. And then if we get... What happened to my other claw? I forgot to equip a claw. OG Kayo here. Oh, Lord. No, we don't. 12. Another 12. Good game. And I can keep going. 20 damage. 23 value here. 23 value. That's another 4-minute game. I don't know what to tell you guys. I don't know what to tell you. This deck is nuts. It's gross. And you know what? You don't have to be a full degen to play it. You just need to hit the rolls like twice, maybe 3 times. And that's not that bad. You got your ready to rolls. Most of your cards block, if you feel like blocking. Do it, guys. Do it. Take this to the skirmish season. Go crush some foes. I'll see you around. Put your name on Kayo while you can.